Hey everyone, I was just texting. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just showing you what you guys do all day long. I'm included in that group. But look from the side. This is how I started. Oh my God, my head is so far off its spit. Think about the muscles on the back of your neck. They are holding on for dear life. And every inch that your head is forward from the plumb line, remember, it adds 10 pounds of weight. So these muscles are working so hard, like carrying a 7-year-old around all day long on your neck. I'm going to show you something. First of all, hold your phone up. Start a revolution, because you should be showing everyone around you this is how you should be texting. Wouldn't it be great if our phone didn't turn on unless it was perpendicular to the ground? You should invent that app. Anyhow, yoga therapy for the neck. This is, most of us have pain, tension in the neck because, again, we are not in optimal alignment all the time. So I'm going to show you a stretch and an engagement for the back of the neck. Remember, those muscles are locked long, and the cervical curve is usually not in its optimal alignment. So we will connect the breath with the movement. Take your hands, interlace your fingers all the way to the pinky side, make a big mitt for the big ball of your head. Take your hands back, inhale. Exhale, head moves forward. On the exhalation, you should feel a nice stretch to those muscles. And then inhale, keep your head here, but actively press it into your hands and give yourself some resistance. So your hands meet your head equally. And then on the exhale, release the muscles of your neck so you go further into the stretch. And then again, inhale. Press your head into your hands. You're engaging those muscles. Press your hands into your head. And then exhale again. Last time, inhale. And then exhale. So every time you exhale, moving into then inhale, lift your face. Oh, your head should kind of float back up right on top of the spit. So it should be balancing like a pumpkin on a broomstick. You should feel open and lighter and more available to yourself. When you exhale, you're engaging that parasympathetic nervous system. You're releasing the tension that's there. And then you inhale, we're engaging the muscles the way that they should. So you come up and it's clearer and brighter and your head's back on straight, which is really the goal of yoga. Happy Yoga Therapy Thursday. Hi everybody, it's Kari. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click